Hey guys, so today point, what is a investment management? Investment management proves to be a general term which the most often the related to the purchasing and the selling the investment inside of the portfolio. It might also be to be utilized to the for budgeting and banking tax and the tax and the taxes management. Most of the time the price per terms of managing portfolios and the trading the securities of the rich in the particular of the set of the investment goals of the objectives. Analyst and the economics also is the investment the management by the names of the money management, private the banking, even the portfolio management. This includes the professionals money management of the various assets of the financial instruments. Among these are is the equities, the bonds, the real estate, and is the other is the types of the securities such as gold derivatives and is the mortgage, the backets securities successful, and it's the well-rounded the management of the investment, the work to the achieve particular investment of the object for the good of the underlying the investor. Such the investor are the not necessary individual or the private the investor. They are the are often in the family the investment office as well as in in situ in institutional uh, among among the various the deep the pockets the institutional the investor are the governments the personal funds the service the wealth the funds the insurance the companies and the educational funds. The service of the investment the management cover the main the function. This has include the analysis of the financials statement and the assess the proper the assess the allocation and the daily diversification the investment the instruments and stocks the selection the financial plans the mention or state the planning the and is the maintenance of the existing the investment in the portfolios. And the entire the industry has been the grow of the around these are the needs the for the wealth clients and is the investor. This is the called in the investment management. This is the management. This is the management. This is the investment management industry. For those are the world feel the LED to start of the investment the management of the from the firm. There are the main the important and is the sensitive the tax and the most be the successfully accomplished. This is the starts with is the hiring for personal money manager and the extends the performing the research on the types of the assessed classes and the particular investor and the marketing the dealing and the setting up and the internal the auditing are all of the core function on the administration sides of the business. Finally, these types of the firm will have to prepare regular reports and the statement for the various clients. This means of the that is the requires much the more than is simply the hiring the effective the assess the gathering the marketing the team or and is the higher the qualification the result the driving the money the management of the staff up to the manage the daily flow of the investing the owners of these are the firms must also be the handle. There is the various jurisdiction regularly and is the legislative environments the carefully in the monitor and the business the cash flow stay on the top of the internal controller and is the system and the actual accurately or the record in the track all funds the values and is the any the transaction the performance. This means or that is the investor this management the firm have the certain state in the stressful the problem that is the other deal of the without the routine without the routing. This is the trade of the for what can you the substantially that is the high the lucrative rewards first of the all investment management firm are the highly development for there is the income of the performing the various of the assets, the marketing, the other the what's the firms profit will be the often the come down is the this is the progression of the markets when is the assess the price suffer and the substantiates the decline decline decline. This is the undoubtedly leads to by the management or the firms revenues dropped of the this is the particularly the case of the when is the fall in the prices of the higher than is the investment the basic of the cost of the company. There are also the issue of the expansion, the management when in the times of these the markets hearts and the learn of the clients of the become of the elegant impact and is the even the angry even the phones the performance which of the above the industry the average the many of the note with the good enough to the keep to the clients on the satisfaction which is the there is the portfolios the progress this is the reason is the critical for any investment of the management company of the attract to the return of the highly the successful money the manager to the problem which is this is the that is the top talent of the costly and hard to keep the loyal when the competition is always hungry for the anger to the still effective money the manager for the friends of the seriously the contacting the particular investment management firm it is the common mistakes so to the single out of the only the performance of for your the particularly investment management on is the step of the in states the all the round total performance of the investment. The first is the what is the matter, this is the why is the successful investment company will be the have retain the expensive performance the generating investment manager in the order for their clients to be willing to the trust in the firm to manage their money. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.